feel insignificant, I can make a difference. You need an example, use this as a for instance. Put your mouth on pause, put your brain in gear. I'll use sassafras, raise your glass and cheer. As you get on your good foot, I hope that you never put your trust in unjust suckers who discuss ways of getting paid by criminal means. They having a sale on minimal dreams, doomed to fail. They caught your tail, your butt's in jail, you gets no bail. The scale was tipped, but you weigh little. There's a rock in a hard place, you're caught in the middle. Need a lawyer to litigate some legal dribble. Now you're back on the streets like it ain't no riddle. How long will this last? You seem to love crime. Today you're out here, tomorrow you do time. Word is born, arm your brain and shoot. Yo, the state is cold, ready to prosecute. Oh, you think you smarter? The system's older. The ace has been dealt, you're now the holder. The name is Chill Rob, there is a good God. My rep is not scarred, I won't commit fraud. Can't say I lied, there's nothing to hide. I say with much pride, court is now in session. Friday night, we out playing the corner. Not because we hoods, cause we wanna. No drugs being sold, we ain't dirty. Polaroids in effect, watch the birdie. Turned around, heard the sound of sirens. The boys that collared me asked me where I've been. I told them that I was right here all night. Looking at each other, they smiled and said, alright, you think you're smart, you wanna be tough, get to the car, you're coming with us. I said to where for what? I ain't guilty, the name is Bob T, you just can't milk me. Now I'm sitting in a courtroom all day. I claim I'm innocent, but that's what they all say. Bunch of my brothers lined up in the hallway to hear the type of price I might have to pay. If honesty is a crime, hell, jail me. Tapes I make to escape the daily routine. I'm too clean, you got nothing on me. Arrest that sucker for being so corny. I run the truth, make it plain and simple. Cops pop the big shots quick as a pimple. Snatch him off the street, drop him in the can. Chain him like an animal, forget he's a man. This might be a little raw for some to eat, but this is food for thought that I speak. If you can't stand the heat, I think you know the rest. This is live, not a test. Court is in session. It's a pity the way the city treats the poor. I got congressmen, councilmen, tell me what are they for? I write them letters, better I even give them a call. But they kick back, cool out in my city hall. I pay the tax, they max them, but they ain't passing off. They try to beat me, they treat me like they think that I'm soft. Pure power the hours later than you think. While they sleeping, I'm creeping because I'm on the brink of insanity. Vanity keeps my hygiene clean. Stop dissing, listen, and then you know what I mean. It's no mystery, history keeps repeating itself. I last longer, I'm stronger, my rhyme's completing itself. I put the pen to the pad and let the words flow. I put the mic to my mouth to make your mind grow. So nighty-nighty, alrighty, I'm putting heads to bed. You sound tired, you're fired up over what I said. There's no stopping, I'm cold dropping your toy boys. No bull, I'm hitting you with the dope noise. Court is in session.